channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Candice and I love to do cleaning, organization, home decor type videos over here on my channel. So if you love things like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today we're going to be talking about preparing for overnight guests. Summer is coming, the kids are almost out of school. Also, people are coming to stay with us. I am going to show you guys what I typically would do if I had overnight guests come over to our house. It's just things that I like to do around the house to get ready for guests. If you're interested in this video, just keep watching. Here is what our guest room is looking like right now. It's wrinkled because the kids will come in here and bounce on the bed when they're running from the dog or something. So that's why it's looking this way. I did a video when I added the curtains and pictures on the wall and all this stuff to our guest room. I will try to remember to link that down below. I don't have like decor really to put in here because the guest bedroom is pretty small. So I just want to keep it really minimal. We have a dresser and TV here. I did have a tree over there on that wall, which I might put it back. But since we are in the guest bedroom, I want to show you guys my new bedding from BROOKLINEN. It was perfect timing because this actually just came to my door a couple days ago and we have guests coming really soon. They are also sponsoring this portion of my video, so thank you so much to BROOKLINEN for sending this stuff over. They gave me the opportunity to go on the website and choose some bedding for my guest bedroom. BROOKLINEN is a luxury sheet company that make like high quality home goods. So they have like towels and really good bath products. Over 100,000 5-star reviews. So that right there tells you that these sheets are probably really good. Loved everything about the website because there are so many options. You can do a bundle. You can buy everything a la carte if you wanted to. I actually chose the bundle, which is 25% cheaper than getting anything a la carte. So you get a better deal with getting a bundle, which comes with a sheet set, a duvet cover, and extra pillowcases. And what I got is called the Luxe Hardcore Bundle. And I think it's really cool that they give you the option to mix and match so many different styles and colors and patterns with your bundle. So when we first moved into the house, our in-laws were coming like right when we moved here, and I needed to quickly get some bedding because we didn't have any at the time. We had just got the queen bed. We used to have a king in our guest bedroom. So I need to hurry up and get some sheets, and I quickly ran up the street to get some inexpensive sheets. I didn't have time to order anything, but now that I have some luxury bedding, I am definitely excited to switch these out. Here's what the box looks like. You invest in a mattress. You want to invest in good quality sheets because you sleep in them every day. These are the sateen sheets, which keep you nice and cool throughout the night. Right off the bat, you get the core sheet set, which is a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. I got everything in the color white or solid white, something like that. A white duvet cover. And then the extra pillowcases. I got these in a king. I have a king pillowcases, king duvet cover for that extra coverage and like length on the bed, the queen sheet set. So we're gonna throw all that in the washing machine and then we're gonna put it on the bed. And BROOKLINEN was actually kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. You're gonna get $20 off of $100 or more if you click my link in the description box and use my code Candice20 for $20 off. You guys will not regret it. Okay, quick update on the bedding. By the time you guys are seeing this video, we have already had guests stay for almost a week, and I wanted them to give me their honest feedback on the bedding, and they said that it did keep them cool all night long. They are very hot sleepers, so I was happy about that. They said that they can tell a huge difference between these sheets and the less expensive sheets that I had on the bed before. They also mentioned that these are a lot softer and more luxurious feeling than the other ones, and more satiny is what they said. So I'm really happy that they enjoyed the sheets. So don't forget to check out Brooklinen. So here is the bed. I wanted to keep it really simple. I love the white. Now we're just gonna do the finishing touches and then we'll be done with the guest bedroom. So I got this really good leather structured bin that I'm gonna use for my guest toiletries. It has a really good like felt liner on the inside and it has this little gold detail like loop at the end. To this bin, I'm gonna add in a magazine and a couple travel size toiletries in case they forgot to pack something. I always go to Walmart or Target for stuff like this because they have just that whole aisle of things to choose from. I always get things like toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, body wash, lotion, things like that. I always try to change it up depending on who's coming. So if we have family coming that have kids, then I will make sure to put some kids' toothbrushes and toothpaste in there as well. All of my family members are coffee drinkers year round, so since we are going to be having family visit us throughout the summer, I decided to create a little coffee station in my kitchen with syrup, some coffee grounds, sugar. I found these really fun syrup dispensers from Amazon, which also came with the labels. I also got some new gold coffee stirrers, which I'll show you guys in a second. So here's what our coffee area is looking like right now. Just our Keurig, our frother, and some coffee spoons. My goal is to make this area look a little bit nicer, but not so cluttered, but also functional. I don't want to go overboard with the syrup, so I only picked up 2. And look how cute these glass containers are that I found off Amazon. I'm gonna use one for coffee grounds. We actually have an attachment for our Keurig, so if you wanna use coffee grounds, you can. I'm gonna put some in a container for easier access, and then the second one, I'm putting in some sleepy time tea, and the third one, just some sugar. found these vintage looking drawer knobs in HomeGoods. They look like they've been hand painted. I think they have been because they have some texture to them. I just love them, and I feel like this is a perfect little addition to the guest bedroom dresser. I'm looking for a new dresser for the guest bedroom in a different color and a different size. There's just too much gray and black in here, and I feel like this one is too big for this size room. I'm still gonna add these knobs to the dresser just to give it some life. Faux florals, but I also like fresh flowers, and I got a ton of flowers for Mother's Day. And since our in-laws are coming, I'm gonna put some of my Mother's Day flowers in the guest room, and I decided to use this bouquet right here. And I'm gonna take this out of this purple vase and put it into this textured vase that I already have. And I'm gonna use that tape method. Everybody always does it. They always put the tape across the top. It makes it look more full. I'm definitely gonna have to cut this down though, because this vase is a lot shorter. So let's see what we come up with. Flowers have lasted for a good amount of time. I'm actually kind of surprised. So I'm just going to be cutting off any wilted leaves or anything that might be dead and just kind of refreshing each stem. I love how the flowers turned out in this vase. I'm going to put this in the guest bedroom, and right beside it I'm going to put this little marble tray for keys and jewelry. I found this water carafe in HomeGoods not too long ago. It has a screw-on top, which is really nice because if it accidentally falls over, water won't get everywhere. The top also doubles as a drinking glass, and I just think it's a perfect addition to add to your guest room so they'll have water throughout the night. If your guests are traveling far to get to your house to visit, they might appreciate a nice, hearty comfort meal so that you don't have to worry about going out to eat when they get to your house. You already have something on hand, or it'll be good for the next day's lunch. This is a perfect meal to reheat because it tastes even better the next day. This is called meatball stew, and it's a traditional Louisiana meal, I think. I take 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of ground sausage, some breadcrumbs, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, Cajun seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, and an egg. You're going to mix everything up really well, and then you're going to form however many meatballs you want. Once your meatballs are formed, you're going to add them to a pot with oil and brown them on each side. You're not going to cook them all the way through yet. After a couple minutes and they're browned on each side, you're just going to remove them. To those same juices, you're going to add in bell pepper, onion, and celery. Cook it until they're done. After they're done, you're going to add in some garlic and some potatoes and roux. If you don't have a roux, you can make your own, or you can buy jar roux. It's really easy to make. You can just look it up. And after that, you're going to add 32 ounces of beef broth and 32 ounces of water. Make sure you guys are seasoning to taste as well. I did add in some Cajun seasoning to the sauteed vegetables, but after you add in your liquid, put your meatballs back into the pot and let this cook for at least an hour. We also added in some boiled eggs to the mixture to let it cook, and it was just so good. We serve it over rice with veggies on the side and salad, and this is just a perfect little hosting meal. One of the last things I do before guests arrive is clean the bathroom that they're going to be using, because obviously I have 2 boys and it doesn't matter when I clean it, it just gets nasty right away. I clean the bathroom last, and then I remove their toothbrushes and their loofahs and towels, and I put them in our room, because when guests come to our house, they just use this bathroom, which is the kids' bathroom, and the boys don't mind because they love using our bathroom. But I would just deep clean the entire bathroom. I'm going to be switching out the shower curtains to a bright white one, because I believe we've had this one up since last fall, so it's time to change it up. That's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to check my description box for my discount code and a link to Brooklinen. You guys are going to get $20 off of $100 or more if you use my code Candice20 at checkout. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one.